So this is chapter 16b about formulas and expressions. In this chapter, we will practice writing formulas and using formulas to solve problems. So in the first skill, we need to just write a formula. And a formula is basically a way to solve a problem in the situation we don't know something, like some missing information. So if we look at the first example, we'll see that the number of marbles in each bag is C. What that means is we don't know how many numbers of marbles are in each bag. It's just represented by the letter C. So C is some number of marbles we have no idea about. So we're just going to call it C. And in this case, because we have 3 bags of the same amount of marbles, that we don't know anything about. All we can say is that we have this many marbles in total, C plus C plus C marbles, which is the total. And in previous chapters, we talked about combining like terms, so the faster way to express this and the more simple way to express this is simply saying I have the letter C and well, I have 3 of them. So the formula to find the total of marbles is 3C. So following this idea, can you write the formula for the next one? Pause. So in this problem, we have the number of sweets in each packet is Y. Okay, so this is Y and this is Y. And there are 5 loose sweets. So we actually have a concrete number here. We have 5 loose sweets. So now we need to write a formula to express the total number of sweets, which in this case is 5, because we know there's 5 of them for sure, plus Y plus Y. Now we have to simplify this into 5, because we know for 5 for sure, but we don't know how many is in each packet, so we can say 2Y. So when we do find out how many are in those packets, all we have to do is just multiply by 2. And that is a formula. Now, we're going to use the formula to solve the problem. So in the previous slide, we said that the formula for the total of these sacks was 3C to get the total. So, for example, if we knew that C was equal to 3, well then, we can apply this formula. If we know C is equal to 3, then 3 times 3, because there's 3 in each sack, is going to make a total of 9 marbles. Or, what if we said, oh, C, each sack has 10 marbles, and again, the formula is 3C, we'd say, oh, 3 times 10, it makes 30 marbles in total. What if we said, hey, look, I don't know how many there are in each sack, but I know that the total is equal to 24. So what you would have to think about is, if this is 3C, well, 3C, or 3 times C, makes a total of 24. So how many are in each sack? Well, 3 times some number makes 24, so that means C has to be 24. So we use these formulas to help us solve problems. And so if we look at the bottom example right here, try this out. If we knew that Y was equal to 10, can you find the total? If we knew that the total was equal to 17, can you find out what Y is equal to? So at this time, pause. So if we knew that y is equal to 10, then 10 plus 10 makes 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then the total has to be 25. That's for A. Now, if we said that we knew, oh, this whole thing equals 17, well, if we take away 5 from here, and we took away 5 from here, leaving us with 12, that means each of these tubes has to contain 6, because it has to add up to 12. So now, at this time, we're going to do another example. The number of sweets in the packet is P. In each case, write a formula for the total number of sweets T and calculate the value of T if P, your number of sweets in the packet, is 5. So go ahead and pause and try to complete this problem. So for A, first of all, our formula, if each of these represents P, that means P plus P plus P plus P, which is 4P, is equal to our T total. So then if we knew that P was 5, then we would write 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So our total would be 20. And this is our formula for part A. For part B, if each of these were P, then we would write 2P. And we now know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 official sweets is equal to our total number of sweets. Now, if we thought we knew P was 5, I would go 2 times 5, because there's 5 in each packet, and there's 2 of them, plus 6 will give me a total of 16 sweets altogether. So our formula is 2P plus 6 equals T, and the total when P is 5 is 16 sweets. And that's all.